Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an egg roll wrap, and all you will need is some egg roll wraps. I got these right from the Giant, and you will also need some rainbow slaw. You can find that right in the salad mix section, and that is it. To cook it, all I did was put a little olive oil in the pan and put it in the pan and sauteed it. You will also need 1 egg in a bowl. Next, I'm going to take my egg wash and I'm going to go around the edges of the egg roll wrap. And the egg wash is going to be used as just like the paste. It's going to hold everything together. So you need the egg wash. Next, we're just going to put the filling inside of the egg roll wraps. Right now, I'm inserting my coleslaw mix into the egg roll wraps. You don't have to put a lot, but you definitely want to put enough depending on how big your wraps are. And then we just going to stretch the shrimp out and put them. Now let's start wrapping. To wrap, all you're going to do is take one corner and then you're going to fold in the sides. And you're just going, wrap it like a little burrito. Make sure your wraps are tight so they don't unravel. And that's it. Then we're going to stuff the egg rolls with the coleslaw mix. And to cook that, literally I just put some olive oil in a pan and sauteed that up. As you can see, I added some corn to my coleslaw mix too. I was just trying to be a little fancy. You can add whatever you want in it. Onions, peppers, whatever your little heart desires. And then we're just going to go ahead and add the shrimp on top and start wrapping. These egg rolls are something super simple and super delicious. Okay, now we are all done. These are all of the egg rolls right before I put them in the oven. I forgot to tell you that you need to set your oven to 400 degrees. And also you need to coat the top of your egg rolls with olive oil, a thin layer, nothing major, before you put it in the oven. Next, you can also cook these in a fryer, which is the least healthy option. So I only did 3 of these in the fryer. You just, you know, put them in a deep fryer and deep fry them. And if you want to go a little more healthy, you can bake some just like I did. And you just let those deep fry up. And this is the final product of the 3 fried egg rolls. In my opinion, the fried tastes better. They were nice and crispy, and these are the baked ones. But yeah, the baked are definitely healthier, but I did like the fried better. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you try it. See you later. Bye.